Hello everybody, my name is Catherine. Today I will talk about the pollution. What is pollution? Stinky stuff, dust, smoke, noise make the pollution. Pollution makes us unhealthy and dirty. There are three different types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and sound pollution. Let's understand each other of pollution one by one. At first, air pollution. Air pollution happens when the air is dirty. We cannot breathe fresh air when acid pollution. Many vehicles emit smoke. The air is polluted by smoke. A second, water pollution. Water pollution happens when people throw the fish into the ponds, lakes, rivers, streams, and seas. Many water animals cannot live. It's called water pollution. A final, soil pollution. Soil pollution happens when many chemicals are shot into soil, making the soil smell. The soil is very dirty. To protect the environment, we need to plant and protect trees.